It's your girl Unique.
And it's your girl Shelly. So we're not officially back. I don't call it no. But this is a update video. We will be officially back next when? I see if I remember our upload date.
Next week Sunday.
Yes, so we're officially back next week Sunday, but we just want to come on here and give you an update of what's been going on. Did you guys miss us? Come on, comment below and tell me if you don't miss me. I know you guys definitely miss us, but we're back. We were gone all holiday, Christmas. We not there. What a shame.
New Year we not there.
New Year we not there.
My birthday we not there.
My birthday I wasn't here. Big Valentine's Day. We're not here. Like, tell them how what to do.
No one. Everything just the girl get fatter and plumber and browner and everything. Good life, I guess. But that's all. Let's get fatter. That's it. Must eat a lot. So we're gonna do mukbang.
So she wanted to do next week. So she wanted to do a mukbang video, you know, where we're gonna eat and
Or we can do like challenges like so who can eat faster, who can eat the most or stuff like that.
well, so my update, well, what should I say is going on? A lot, and you will see that as the time, you know, as it go by and everything. And remember, forever thoughts, go and follow my business page on Instagram and Facebook, and you know, stay updated of some really exciting stuff coming, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Right, so what we want to do is comment down. We have some snippets of, you know, our birthday, like my birthday look thing going.
Oh yeah.
Yes, she has snippets of her birthday, and you know, Christmas, New Year's. We have a lot of events that went on during the holidays, because majority of our family are, you know, birthdays are
Close
within that time period, so we have a lot of events. So comment down below if you want us to come by them into a video and show you how crazy and fun
it was.
overall family is.
Even last week we have a mother birthday. So
We didn't do much video on that one, but we have a lot
video
of videos through the holidays. We're gonna probably share them, and we know that our last video we plan to give you basically come along with me renovation type of thing, and you know, overall that's in the process. It's a lot, so you just have to wait and you know.
Just watch, just continue watching it and subscribe to the channel if you remember new.
To like, comment and
subscribe,
yes,
and share it so we can get more followers and stuff like that. You understand?
As I always say, we tell a friend, we tell a friend,
we tell a friend, we tell a friend, we tell a uncle, we tell a friend,
and tell our mother or whatever. Yeah, everybody. Go ahead and tell.
Lisa, me. It's really good my window. Yeah.
So that's basically the video for this week. Just to tell you that we're officially back. I have a lot of persons messaging me on Facebook, wanting me to put either their business or their music or their YouTube channels in our video. Just a shout out. Just message me back. I have a lot of message me back. So in our video next week, we'll, you know, try to shout out as much as possible. So it's a pleasure to be back, and we promise to be consistent
this time.
We promise to be consistent, to give you like a video every single week, and in the future, we can come up to 2 or more. So it's good to be back.
So we kind of want to change up the video look a bit. Like we want to do like some mukbang, some reaction, and some
cooking
reviews, and then some cooking.
And who can cook? I will get exposed on camera.
So we know say me learn to cook. I can cook.
Me show me can me never call no foul.
So we know say me learn to cook over the video we did on YouTube now. So it's okay.
I show me can me never call no foul. I just made a statement. They say any pig this stole leg and then ball out. I just made a statement. So I guess.
Now one of the claims that me burn can cook. I couldn't, but I can now. So if I want to test, me can test.
So we're gonna do a showdown and who can cook the best.
Yes.
Where I cook a dish, Yanni cook a dish.
No, we cook the same dish, but which dish tastes the best?
You really want to say what embarrass yourself on YouTube?
No, just girl, let's watch.
You really want to embarrass yourself on YouTube?
Let's do it. I don't respond already.
Let me can.
Even if me not win, at least me know say me try and me know say I can do it. It's absolutely fine.
That's a quote of a sorry loser.
Alright.
Sorry backside or loser. Anybody people loser talk like that. Me know man of a shell.
Okay, man.
Me know. Me don't take the cake. Me
don't be overconfident.
I'm not being overconfident. Don't be biased. They know me can cook. They know good girl.
Never say can.
They know good girl can.
But listen, the people won't say, oh, me can't cook and some, I know me can't cook, and the person will say, and the person that will say, oh yes, yeah, man, we can't cook, but me not really certain. And then we mash up, no, stop it.
Me not just. Alright, people let me tell the straight.
My knife skill.
I don't like to. I'm nice to know with cooking.
Me know, me tell you say me a proper chef, me a proper chef. Me nice feel like
weird. Listen,
good.
Make sure tell you, I'm a really good cook. I just don't like to cook. Yes, don't go and chat me. I don't like to cook, but I can cook.
Me love cook now.
That a she, me no love cook. If I don't have to go in the kitchen, I won't.
But like,
it's not a pleasure to be in it. But I can cook.
The other day I cook one stew piece for the first time, no instruction by myself.
And you know what? You should have that stew piece, you should post some picture in it with our stew peas.
One to my stew piece.
Your stew peas want more water.
That moment said my stew piece is dry down too much, and we didn't know that because when me a story, me know say dry down a little bit too much. But at the end of the day,
come up with butter stew peas.
But I add no water in it, but it's for a first person with stew piece tastes damn good and they look good.
So let me ask the question. Say if you're a big top chef. You say add more water in it. What kind of water? What type of water add in it?
Nice, clean, warm water.
And you know, so I'm going to all my question. I lie. I pour water for today. Yes, stop.
We put nice thing. It's something you add when you cook soup, and if the soup are more you are more liquid than the soup, you put on the water on the stove. When you warm the water, you throw in the soup. If you don't change the flavor of the soup, if you put the cold water in it, it's not going to change the flavor of the soup. So talk to me.
I want to argue.
They can't cook.
I want to argue. She cannot cook. But I'm yet to taste that. So Miss Goody nice cooking. I'm yet to taste it. So let's see. I'm yet to officially taste it. So
yes, you will though.
I will. Because we have a competition.
You will.
We have a nice cooking competition.
Yes. So we're trying to
go kitchen. So up already. So we have a nice big competition.
Alright.
Face off. Okay, so we will officially see you guys next week. We are back in this bitch.
Corny.
We're not corny, back in that bitch. But what bitch? This bitch? We're back on YouTube. Yeah. We're back.
Yeah, we're happy to be back.
Are you? Are you? I'm telling you guys, like in life, it's when you start something, try your best not to stop.
I want
that's
to stop.
That's a life lesson.
Hey.
Try your best not to stop because once you stop, it's the hardest thing to start back. Try your best.
It's like me when I'm going to the gym. When if I start workout, I will be consistent for like a couple of days, and you say, you know, so today I'm going lazy game. No, wake up tomorrow. You will never go back and gym it. I say people.
And if you know that you're a person that always giving up and always stopping, then find somebody to say, listen, you need to do this. Like get up and go. because once you stop is the hardest thing to start again. Trust me.
And I'm totally you
because you every day we're like, okay then we're gonna start back. Not only that,
the first what we normally say is the first week we stop, we say, alright, this week we not do because we have other things to do.
What things to do?
Then the next week I say, no, something I don't know this week again. And then the next week until just completely stop talk about it, just pass and it pass and it pass and it pass and it pass.
And then you start like have so many stuff doing is not even priorities. Okay,
exactly.
Just want to focus on this, and then once it is done, and then if you have more things added and more things added, you say, you know what? Not another week.
Yeah.
It's not happening. Not another week. So we're back, and we're not stopping because it's hard to start back. It's hard.
If we continue, we cannot reach further than what we are now still, but we are going to reach there.
He said time is the master of everything, so we're not gonna come on YouTube and we have a lot and 110 things, and mentally we're not 100% there. So we want to give you guys, the good Shelly and Yan, a laugh and a go on the bag of things, all of that, all the niceness, no boredness. So we have to make sure we're there, not only physically. So that's basically the case, because when you have so much on your mind, like you're not fully invested in the videos, and we didn't want that. But now we're clear.
Are we happy and everything?
I'm contented. Like, excuse me, step aside. Right there.
Here come yan&shelly. Alright, already know.
Yeah, so not time to say bye now, but like really, we have to pull on my talk. Like,
don't already know.
Okay, guys, so see you guys next week, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Yes, please, and follow us on our socials.
Us on Facebook and
Instagram. And it's Shelly Lisa. It's Shelly Lisa B. Is it Shelly Lisa? It's Shelly Lisa on Facebook and Shelly Lisa B on Instagram. One of them.
And Queen Yan Brown on Instagram and Yan Brown on Facebook. And don't forget to follow me. Don't stop on TikTok either. Even me
she start post videos, so I don't.
But still follow me because I will start back now. Anyways.
Yes, and follow Forever Thoughts. We have some cute stuff coming, and we have good stuff here already. So
yeah,
remember, support a small business, and we'll see you guys next week
Sunday,
and we're out.
Bye.